Business profile of Pro-FRGW. Portable fabricated office residence and general-purpose houses. Prefab deals in all kinds of portable goods. Our signature products are portable cabins, houses, mosques, containers, shades, fences, and double-story buildings, security cabins, and other types of cabins, etc. We also fabricate portable fences, channeling fences, manual and automatic shades. Our company is ISO certified as Pro-FRGW carvings and prefab buildings. Our projects: Red Sea Project Jubail. Other projects: coldest storage system in Way, portable labor camp TAFE, portable home TAFE, double-story office building Jubail. Our products includes portable containers, portable sandwich panel, portable office, living accommodations, car shades, portable toilet, portable tents, portable concrete benches, and portable swimming pool shades. Our services: fabrication works, finishing and furnishing works, installed doors and windows, electrical works, steel structure works, and plumbing works. We also have a plethora of services. Here you can the speed and work process of our team and workers. The installation of prefabricated buildings is so quick and easy. Here is the another project of our company of prefab house-made puff sandwich panel installation team. Here is the contact information of our company. Place your order now.